Well, let's do it again. I made a problem setting up the second, third, and fourth mmW sensor. I'm following the manual, and I think I passed the first chip configuration. Now I have some problems with some others, starting from here, right, and after. Okay, so let's getting started. We first quickly go through the first steps. Set up, connect. That's good. Yeah, it's good. We can even run a quick test. Pin the board. Wait a second. Yeah, it passed. And what about the terminal? LS. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so we first set up the first chip, radar device 1. There are 4 steps. The first one is set the SOP mode. That's good. Set the SPI connection. That's good. And download the firmware. Before we go ahead, we need to delete this line. So the version is 2203, the meta image, and this is the second step, I think. This is the third step. Here we go. And I was told that the download is wrong for some reason, but I couldn't understand the output because we can see it's actually downloading. So again, the output told me the downloading is wrong, right? But actually the downloading is going on. And whatsoever, let's go on. We press the power up. I was told it works fine. And the next step is setting up the first chip. Okay. Lift the bar a little bit, right? We are working on the first radar, and we need to pick up the master and press the set. That's good, which is good, and we continue with it. So we are working on the other chips. For each one, we perform the SOP mode and the connection. We're starting from the second SOP mode, SPI connect, good. And the third one, SOP mode, SPI connection, that's good. I won't say it's good. Sometimes it told you the error, the SUP fault error. You see that? And we continue the device 4, adding device 2, 3, 4, and we continue set. I was told pass, and we connect. So it told me something wrong, the CPU fault error, but the the MS power up is actually received, and it told me passed. I think something must be wrong in the in previous steps. Right. So, okay. So we can, for the final step, I'm not optimistic. Perform downloading for all the snaps together. So we pick up all the snaps and click the downloading. Yeah, error again. So again, the downloading is wrong, but let's just go ahead and we need to perform the RF power up individually. So we pick up the second and connect the power up. Believe it or not, it passed. So we pick the third one, power up. Yeah, it passed again. So we pick the fourth one and we continue power up. Good. Again. So we set all the three as slaves all together. Perform the basic configuration. Static. Okay, it passed. Where are we now? So also, the cascade mode for all snap devices should be selected as snap during the basic configuration. And do we have a basic configuration? No, I don't think so. Oh, that's it. Okay, so for the frame, where can we see the frame? Frame trigger. No, frame configuration. Frame configuration. I don't see frame configuration. Where are you? Where are you? Not framing. Okay. I don't see frame configuration. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, I see. I get it. It's about the trigger. Yes, yeah, here it is. Okay, so we continue with 7.3.3. That is, excuse me. That's ugly. The capture the data. So we continue to the configuration. Update all the following fields if needed. Files. Okay. Files to be allocated 0.0. So that's right. Number of files to be allocated on SSD. No pack. 40 at 12. All right. I think it's now might be this. It's sort of old, right? It said 2.1, but we are working on 3.0. So post pro capture data 1 bin, I think it's fine. Not framing. Mint SSD. Okay.